Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming financial planning. Imagine having a personal financial advisor available 24/7, offering tailored advice based on your unique spending habits and goals. That's the promise of AI in personal finance. What is AI-powered financial planning? AI-powered financial planning refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies, such as machine learning and natural language processing, to provide accurate, personalized financial advice. Unlike traditional methods, AI analyzes vast amounts of data to deliver insights tailored to individual needs, be it budgeting, investing, or managing expenses. Benefits of AI in financial planning. The integration of AI into financial planning offers numerous benefits. Number 1. Personalized advice. AI systems analyze your spending habits, income, and goals to provide customized guidance. Number 2. Improved investment strategies. Robo-advisors use AI to create and manage portfolios that align with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Number 3. Real-time decision-making. AI-powered tools offer instant insights, notifying users of unusual transactions or spending trends. Number 4. Accessibility. AI-driven platforms often come at a lower cost, making professional-grade financial advice accessible to a wider audience. Number 5. Efficiency and automation. From automating expense tracking to categorizing transactions, AI reduces the time spent on mundane tasks. Number 6. Enhanced risk management. AI excels in identifying potential financial risks, providing early warnings, and allowing proactive measures. Number 7. Financial literacy. By breaking down complex financial concepts into actionable steps, AI tools enhance financial literacy. By leveraging these advantages, AI empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions with greater confidence. AI tools transforming personal finance. Several AI-driven tools are revolutionizing personal finance. Budgeting apps. AI-powered apps analyze spending patterns, categorize transactions, and offer proactive savings advice. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment use AI to create and manage investment portfolios tailored to your financial goals. Credit monitoring services. Tools like Credit Karma leverage AI to provide real-time credit score updates and personalized recommendations for improvement. These applications demonstrate AI's capability to simplify and enhance various aspects of financial management. Challenges and considerations. While AI offers significant benefits, it's essential to consider potential challenges: data privacy and security. AI systems rely heavily on user data, raising concerns about privacy. Ensuring platforms adhere to strict security standards is crucial. Bias in algorithms. If not carefully managed, AI algorithms can inadvertently reinforce biases present in training data. Over-reliance on technology. While AI is a powerful tool, maintaining a basic understanding of financial principles is vital for making informed decisions. Being aware of these factors ensures a balanced approach to integrating AI into financial planning. The future of AI in financial planning. As technology evolves, AI's role in financial planning is set to expand. Emerging trends include blockchain integration for secure, transparent financial transactions, AI chatbots offering 24/7 financial advice, hyper-personalization, delivering tailored recommendations based on increasingly granular data. These advancements promise to make financial management more efficient and personalized than ever before. AI-powered financial planning is revolutionizing how we manage our finances, offering personalized, efficient, and accessible solutions. By embracing these technologies, we can navigate our financial journeys with greater confidence and precision. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of finance.